Dear Swissies, in this video I will show you the 50 shades of Petmeralp. Enjoy! Well, it's Halloween soon, so we are in the right mood for this, right? Right, you ready? Yes, back in our Holzhunderzimmer. It smells a lot after fresh wood. Yeah, this is the concept. But unfortunately, we don't have a view right now. But we are working on it, okay? Yes, we're working on it. I took the opportunity in this bad weather to tell you a little more about this hotel. This room is a so-called Holzhundert room. It was invented by the Austrian Erwin Thoma. The Holzhundert constructions envelopes its occupants with pure solid moon wood. Instead of chemicals, wooden dowels are used so you can smell pure wood when you enter the room. It's simply homey. More about the hotel tells us now the hostess Daniela.
So here we have one of our other rooms. The older rooms, they are a bit smaller, but also cozy. So we have
very
for
nice.
Every budget we have a different category.
With forest
Forest
view.
Yes, no mountain view, but forest view.
How many rooms do you have?
We have 23 rooms.
Oh,
We
okay.
have 6 wooden rooms, like you have, and then we have other rooms.
All right.
So now we're gonna see the hot tube.
Oh, cool.
It's the perfect weather for
Yes.
a nice walk.
Wow, that's cool.
So normally you have a very nice mountain view, but sometimes, especially if it's snowy, it's also nice to have this mood for a nice bath.
That's true. And in sunny weather, you can sit outside here.
Yes.
I want to jump in. Woo! Maybe later. Such a big house. And it's the whole family working here, right?
Yes, my dad is working almost full time, and my mom is coming to help sometimes.
That's cool.
And then we have a small sauna.
Ah, okay.
And here is a really small sauna, but it's cozy.
Oh, yeah. And here is the ice ball.
The ice bath, yes, or you jump out in the snow.
Okay.
And here's the relaxing room.
Yes.
Sometimes we do yoga here.
And you can do some fitness also over there.
Yes.
Okay. Ah, this is the entry, huh?
Yes. This
Right.
is the entry. And then we have a fireplace. This is my dad.
Hi, Dad. He's shy.
He's even shyer than me. Here's the fireplace. So I'm showing you all the things to
Oh,
hang out
I love
when the weather is bad. So
I love the smell of the wood. And so many
plenty books to read.
books to read. So on bad weather, yeah, you have enough time to read, huh? Super schön.
Here we have the bar and the smoking lounge.
Ah, the smoking lounge looks interesting, huh? Oh, with so many things.
You can play DJ in there.
Yeah.
Oh, you are a DJ.
I was. That's a cool room. Yeah, Pink Floyd, The Wall, that's my thing. Cool.
So they're all the 70s, 60s, 80s.
It's your sound too?
No, it's especially my dad's sound, but I like this kind of music.
Yeah.
Here we have the breakfast in the morning, and in the evening we serve half board and or a little à la carte, and then we have a salad bar here.
I know your breakfast is very delicious. Well, also the dinner, so you can't go wrong if you go for dinner or lunch or breakfast or whatever. Yeah, very good food. And you look that it's from the region, yeah?
We try to get them as much as possible from the region, organic. Sometimes in winter it's hard because it's not the region where everything grows, but we try as much as we can.
It's good. At least you try. That's good.
And then for the thirsty people, we have the wine cellar.
Oh, I've never been there. I'm curious now. Oh, it's dark. I need some light. Just a minute. Yeah, light. Light is here. Wow, that's interesting. Wow.
So already filled up for winter season because it's easier to get it up in summertime.
Yes, oh, so cool. How many bottles? You don't know,
I
huh?
don't know. I should count them.
Which one is the most expensive?
The most expensive should be, I think. Where is it? Oh,
Yeah, it's maybe already drunken. It's okay.
But yeah, a lot of different.
Yeah,
especially
plenty
from
of bottles.
Valais.
Yeah, Canton Valle has very good wine. Yeah, you don't have to drink always from Italy or Spain or wherever. Yeah, thanks, very cool. Oops. Very nice. Maybe we take one of them, huh, for dinner. What makes your hotel so special?
I think it's a very familiar hotel, so you see me around, my dad, and with the wooden rooms we created a little speciality, like they're like cocoons where people like to relax and get some energy from the nature up here, and also the wood, and and we are a bit outside of the village, so it's very quiet. And if you want to have some fun, you're there in 10 minutes. So.
Okay.
But you can come back, and here it's like, I say always in German, it's an Energietankstelle, so a place where you can fill up your energy.
It's a power place. I know that. That's why I'm often here. Thanks a lot, Daniela. Thank you. Yes, it is certainly this family feeling what I like so much here. But it is also the many small details that catch the eye. There is so much love in these rooms, and this love, of course, also ends up on the plate. The weather was still somewhat forgiving in the evening. However, this period of reconciliation was short-lived. The next morning, everything was again shrouded in the thick fog. It looks like it is already Halloween here at Betmeralp. It's so moody. Yeah, the perfect time for Rasta and me. Now imagine some Halloween music. Everything looks so mystical with fog. Also Betmeralp. The hope for a beautiful morning sank by the minute. I was already on my way back to the hotel when I saw this pink glow behind the clouds. Immediately I returned to the chapel and was rewarded with a super beautiful mood. This time window was about 5 minutes long, then it was already over. These are the mountains. After this morning thriller, it was time for a lekker breakfast. After breakfast, we met with a young couple for a private photo tour. Rasta was allowed to pose as a dog model, but as moody as the weather was, Rasta was not always in the mood to pose. And so, after about 2 hours, we went back to the hotel and I dried my clothes and Rasta his fur. After that, we met again for aperitif in the Schmiele Lounge and then we ate a delicious dinner. On our departure day, yeah, the blue sky is back. But Rasta and I, Rasta, we will be back soon, gal. Ja. Yes, we will. A last look back to the Hotel Waldhuis, and then it's goodbye and until the next time. Now it's time for another try with the photo tour. Maybe Rasta is in a better mood today. The weather doesn't seem to have decided to change for better yet. But you know me, I don't give up hope. And so we got into a gondola towards Moosflue, where I hoped to be above the clouds. And indeed, the longer the ride took, the better the weather became, until we were completely out of the clouds. Oh, you should have seen the smile on my face. Rasta was visibly more motivated than the day before, and so we were able to start the second part of the photo tour. The weather was just incredible. It was like the breakfast buffet at the Hotel Waldhuis. There was a little bit of everything, and everything was incredibly good. Rasta liked his today photographer. They seemed to have a special bond with each other. And for once, it was nice for me to see that Rasta really enjoys posing. When I take the photos myself, I don't see us from the outside. And this outside perspective was also something new for me, and I was only the assistant of this team. The panoramic hike from Moosflue to Rie de Furka takes about 2 hours. We, of course, had 4 hours with all the photo breaks, but that is the usual time overrun. This hike is one of my favorite hikes in the Aletsch Arena. You can just feel the power of nature here, and you can literally soak up the energy. We all just had such a wonderful day. Happy but tired, we reached the Rie de Furka, where we ate something and then we went back to the valley. My little white shepherd dog overcame the sleep already in the cable car. Oh, how satisfied he looks. A great day comes to an end. Again.